To make the coleslaw, let's start by making the dressing. So I'm gonna take some mayo, really good mayo, the kind you like, and we're gonna drop the mayo into a bowl. Then we are going to season the mayo really nicely. So I'm gonna start by adding a nice good pinch of salt. And then also I'm gonna add in some black pepper, a couple of turns of fresh cracked pepper. I always feel like a coleslaw should have a little bit of sweetness to it. So I'm gonna do that by adding in a little bit of sugar. And then along with the sugar, I'm gonna add in a little bit of garlic powder. Now you may go, Darius, that's a lot of sugar. I'll tell you why we need it in 1 second, right? I did say tequila, lime. So if you know anything about tequila, it could be on the bitter side. So we're adding something bitter into this. So what's gonna happen is that sugar is really gonna give us a little bit of well-roundedness to the dressing. Also, I'm gonna add in some lime juice. So you just take your limes and give them a good squeeze, a good roll. This sort of helps to loosen up some of that juice. You could also put it into a microwave and that would help as well. With a fork, I'm gonna get in here and I kind of want to just turn the fork one way and then turn the limes the other way. And then what'll happen is that's really gonna start to release a lot of the lime juice. And this is what you want to see in your dressing. Now, all you want to do is just give this a mix just to make sure everything is well incorporated. All right, and then right before I add the dressing into our coleslaw, I have purple cabbage. So I already have a prepared coleslaw mix that has regular green cabbage and also some shredded carrots. And I'm just gonna cut up a little bit of our purple cabbage and I'm gonna add this right to the bowl as well. All right, now we can get in here and give this a mix. And this is why we also have the gloves. Clean hands are a cook's best tools. And then this is the coleslaw dressing that we made. And we're just going to pour this right onto this. And then let's mix it all together. Coleslaw is all mixed. I just want to taste it because I want to make sure that I have enough salt, enough pepper. This is the time for you to do that. And then you could adjust the seasonings if you need to. Let me see. No, really. Fantastic. I get the tequila. I got the lime happening. Perfect amount of sugar. Perfect balance. This is really good. So all I want to do now, this goes into the fridge just for at least an hour, and then we'll get it nice and chilled, and then we'll pair it with the rest of our meal.